Hi, I'm John Pratt, Large Equipment Service Manager. I'd like to discuss burner nozzle replacement on a PowerHeat 300 oil-fired unit. Before any maintenance work is done, ensure that the power is interrupted. First thing we want to do is remove the burner control unit. Loosen the set screw, pull the control unit straight off. There are 2 torque screws that will need removing. Allowing you access to the burner head. It's held in place by this set screw. The fuel line has to be removed from the pump. That's the burner head. The burner nozzle is accessed by removing or loosening the set screw. And there's our burner nozzle. When we're setting up for a 385,000 BTU, we use a 2.0 B nozzle, 60 degree. The burner nozzle is removed. We install our new 2.0 60 degree nozzle. Tight, but not over tighten. It's reinstalled into the burner head. While I'm here, I want to go over the electrode adjustments. The basic adjustment is 4 millimeters between the 2 electrodes. It's spaced out in front of the nozzle 5 millimeters and is basically 5 millimeters above the center line of the nozzle. After inspecting and measuring the electrodes, it's a good idea to check your turbulator head depth. It's a scale of 0 to 5 and the initial set point should be 4. Reinstall. Okay. Nozzle's in. After the burner nozzle is replaced, you'll want to do a smoke test and check your flue gas. Smoke test is relatively easy. What you're looking for is that. Basically 0 on the smoke card. Once satisfactory results are attained with the smoke test, we'll do check our CO2. Okay, and we're going for a reading of 12 to 13% on our CO2 reading. To achieve this result, you adjust the air shutter on the side of the burner. This one is reading at approximately 13% and right in our range. Replacing the nozzle. To achieve 385,000 BTUs, the fuel pressure should be adjusted to 190 psi, and your flue gas, your CO2 level, should be 12.5 to 13%. It is achieved by adjusting the air gate on the side of the burner. Fuel pressure is adjusted with this set screw beneath the gauge. This is a better image of the air gate. Your initial adjustment on startup should be 5. And you'll adjust the air gate after loosening these 2 set screws to achieve your 13% CO2 level. Your fuel pressure adjustment, right there.